How you doing? You the valet?
Yes, sir. You have parking valet?
This is the valet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I got the...
Reservation?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So... Oh, let me go grab a card, okay? I have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, no
Give me a
sir.
second. And you take the car from here, right?
Sorry?
You take the car.
Yes, sir. We will.
And you know how to drive this car,
Yes,
right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know when you press the brake, the door will close.
Yeah, yes, sir. We're all professional here.
Okay,
so
no problem.
We will take care of your car, no worries.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Let me go grab a card, okay?
May I